Struggling to meet your fitness goals on a vegan diet? You're not alone. Balanced nutrition is the cornerstone of any fitness journey, but vegans often face unique challenges. Supplements can bridge the nutritional gaps in a plant-based diet, ensuring you get essential nutrients. From protein powders to vitamin B12, these supplements can enhance performance and aid recovery. Why are supplements crucial for vegan fitness? They address nutrient deficiencies common in vegan diets. Even a well-structured vegan diet can miss out on key nutrients due to food choices and preparation methods. Vitamin B12, iron, zinc, iodine, and omega-3 fatty acids are often lacking in vegan diets. These nutrients are vital for energy production, muscle repair, and overall endurance. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell formation and neurological function. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood, but its bioavailability is lower in plant sources. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, aiding in recovery after exercise. Vitamin D3 is critical for bone health and immune function. Vegan protein powders like Earth Protein and Future Whey support muscle growth and recovery. Pea protein is rich in BCAAs, supporting muscle repair after intense workouts. BCAAs reduce muscle fatigue and accelerate recovery, making them popular among vegan athletes. Creatine enhances muscle growth and performance, ideal for high-intensity workouts. Iron supplements prevent deficiency, crucial for athletes with heightened iron needs. Vitamin B12 supplements maintain energy levels and overall health, vital for vegans. How do these supplements help with fitness? They promote muscle growth, enhance performance, and improve recovery. Building and maintaining muscle mass is essential for athletes, and vegan protein sources can facilitate this. Vegan supplements like creatine and BCAA enhance performance and endurance. These supplements work synergistically to improve overall athletic performance. To enhance recovery time, vegan supplements reduce muscle fatigue and promote quicker recovery. Vegan supplements can be categorized into plant-based, synthetic, and whole food supplements. Plant-based supplements like pea protein and spirulina support athletic performance naturally. Synthetic supplements like creatine and beta-alanine enhance performance and muscle recovery. Whole food supplements like spirulina provide natural sources of essential vitamins and minerals. Choosing the right supplements depends on individual nutritional needs and fitness goals. Consulting with a healthcare professional ensures personalized supplement choices. Understanding your fitness goals helps select the right vegan supplements for muscle growth, recovery, and performance. Carefully reading labels and ingredients ensures quality and transparency in vegan supplements. Vegan supplements can help you achieve your fitness goals while maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle.